Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how I make potatoes and carrots inside the air fryer. So first you take your small potatoes and small like carrots, or chop the carrots smaller. So first of all, I'm gonna take this dynamic duo small baby potatoes because they are taking faster in the air fryer. You can chop the big potatoes in like really small sizes as well. That's optional. And first of all, you have to wash them. I washed my veggies already, so now I'm just gonna chop all the carrots and potatoes in really small pieces, because the air fryer, it's gonna take forever if you put like big chunks in there. So here you can see me chopping it, everything. You can as well buy just the like small carrots. It's gonna be way easier for you. And of course I'm gonna just use the small potatoes, because the big ones take just forever to cook in the air fryer, but it's possible. Don't let discourage yourself. Like if you have a tons of time right now like me, I'm chopping every vegetable right now, and as you can see, I don't make it thicker than like my thumb, as thick as my thumb. I'm gonna chop them around this size as I showed you right now. So I'm not gonna fit all of the potatoes and carrots that I showed you. I just gonna chop like around maybe four carrots and like 10 small potatoes. Depends how big your air fryer is, but don't put too much, otherwise they're not gonna be equally like nice and crispy. They're just not gonna be cooked well, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna chop even the small potatoes in half, because it's just gonna take faster. Everything just gonna take faster. So here I chopped everything. This is the amount I chopped, and this is my air fryer. I didn't wash it for this video. I'm so sorry guys. You have to deal with that right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just put all the chopped carrots and potatoes inside my air fryer here. Just dump them in like this. Make sure the holes are not clogged with anything. You can put like any seasoning you want on top of them if you want to. You don't need to do it. It's optional. So I like to put a little extra virgin oil on top, because it just makes them more crispier, but no more than like a spoon. And I like to toss them around, and I like to put some seasonings on top. The best seasoning I like for it, it's the Montreal steak seasoning from Costco. I love the seasoning on almost everything. I highly recommend it. I just put the seasoning on top, and then I just toss it around with my hands to make sure everything is covered up well. And now I'm just gonna turn on my air fryer for 15 minutes. It's important, 15 minutes for 370 Fahrenheit. And then I just press the start button, and I just leave it in there for this 15 minutes. And that's pretty much it. And now I'm taking them out, and as you can see, they are nice and brown and crispy and ready to eat. They are so delicious guys. I highly recommend this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe and comment if you would like to see more videos. Bye.